This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can adjust the camera shutter speed on this drone. So to start, make sure that the camera pro mode is selected, which you can do by tapping at the camera icon to the display's bottom right. Now tap anywhere at the preferences or options. Select the second section on the menu that follows, that looks like a shutter button. Then, find the shutter section or the shutter adjustment. Switch off the automatic mode and then manually set whatever value you'd like for your shutter speed to be at. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.